Like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
Manchester United vs Watford result. Cristiano Ronaldo, Red Devils misfire, held to scoreless home draw by Hornets chalk it up as another Manchester United letdown in their disappointing 2021-22 Premier League season. The Red Devils were held to a 0-0 draw at home by struggling relegation battlers Watford, who put up a fight to come away with a solitary point that will give them a boost in their fight to remain in the Premier League. Man United saw their hopes of finishing in the Premier League's top four take another hit. Although they currently occupy the fourth spot, which at season's end would secure them a berth in the UEFA Champions League next season, there are other teams like Arsenal in position to overtake United with games in hand. Things started so well for Manchester United. Anthony Elanga was electric and Cristiano Ronaldo was involved in the first half and hit the post. But after a series of failed chances in front of net, the Man United attacks began losing their edge and fizzling out. Man United interim manager Ralf Rangnick brought on Jadon, Sancho and Marcus Rashford in the second half, but they could not help achieve the breakthrough as Watford sat in deeper and grew in confidence with every minute. Bruno Fernandes had a nightmare match around goal with 3 good looks in the first half that went begging. Ronaldo had 2 of his own, and he also had 2 penalty appeals during the course of the match, but the referee didn't point to the spot and replays looked to give the official good reason. Second from bottom on 19 points, Watford are 3 points away from safety with key 6-point relegation tilts in their last 12 against fellow strugglers Everton, Leeds United, Brentford and Burnley, all to be played at Vicarage Road. Next up for Man United is the Manchester derby next Sunday against the Premier League leaders. The Red Devils can still extract some satisfaction from the league season if they can perhaps cost their rivals a repeat title. A top 4 finish is likely difficult at this stage. It will take a strong run of matches and other results to go their way for it to materialize. Manchester United vs Watford final score goals, none, all times Eastern. Final, Man United 0, Watford 0 90th min 3 minutes of added time, but Man United couldn't take advantage. 86th min Man United can't create any more. Broadcaster shares that Watford have lost in their last 10 trips to Old Trafford. The visitors are working hard and they're about to do the unthinkable. 80th min Manchester United watch a Luke Shaw set piece go to waste. Meanwhile, Watford brings in Kucka for Cleverley in midfield. 73rd min subs, it's Luke Shaw, for Alex Telles at left back, and Marcus Rashford for Nemanja Matic. Man United are throwing the kitchen sink at Watford and it's hard to believe it's come to this for the Red Devils. 70th min Watford are looking increasingly solid as the minutes go on. Meanwhile, Man United is preparing 2 more subs, including Marcus Rashford. 63rd min subs, Man United bring on Sancho for Fred, Pogba will move deeper in midfield, while Watford make 2 replacements, Ken Sema for Joshua King, and Christian Kabasele for Jeremy Ngakia. 62nd min indecision by Watford in the back and Fernandes serves up Ronaldo for a shot, but he doesn't get enough on it and it's blocked off the line. 57th min Elanga chance. Beautiful backheel pass by Paul Pogba for Elanga behind him, but he pushes wide and can't score. Nice move by United. Pogba needs to be more involved in and around the box. 55th min Cristiano Ronaldo goes down in the box on a clash with Kamara and there is a VAR check, but it is ultimately not given. Again, an honest coming together that Ronaldo embellished. 54th min pretty even start to the second half. Watford holding their own. Exactly how the visitors wanted to start the second period. 47th min Watford with an early corner and Samir gets a head on it, only to send it wide. 46th min second half is underway. No changes. Half time, Man United 0, Watford 0 half time. The first half was all Manchester United, but after starting strong, the Red Devils faded. Anthony Elanga was bright and Cristiano Ronaldo looked up for it, early but with every missed chance, Ronaldo had 2 and Fernandes had another 3, the frustration set in. Watford also got a better grip on the game and sat a bit deeper, which seemed to neutralise the United threat. Man United would prefer to run in transition rather than try to break down Watford. Ralf Rangnick probably has to turn to his options off the bench, Sancho, Rashford and Lingard, to keep up the energy of the team. 44th min 1 minute of added time. 42nd min Anthony Elanga goes down in the Watford box after a clash with Craig Cathcart, but the referee says play on. And the VAR agrees with the head official. There was nothing illegal about that. Just 2 players coming together for the ball in a bit of a tangle.